Today I want to share my honest review of Swft Connect. Swft Connect is a platform designed to help you to replace the traditional business cards and manual contact sharing with a digital automated system. It makes it easy to share your contact information, website links, social profiles, and booking links, and many more, all from a clean custom profile that you can show with a link, QR code, or even wallet or NFC integration. So, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover useful tools that make your work easier and more professional. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the lifetime deal on AppSumo. By using that link from description, the discount will be applied automatically. So check the link from description and let's talk about the Swft. Now let's talk about how Swft Connect works and why many people find it useful. Once you sign up, you create your profile, you add your name, contact details, social media links, website, maybe a video or booking link. You get a unique digital card, not paper but a modern online profile. Then whenever you meet someone, you can let them scan a QR code or tap an NFC card or give them a link. Instantly they get your full contact and link collections. So no typing the phone numbers, no emailing back and forth, and all of this happen automatically. Now what makes Swft Connect more than just a fancy digital card? And that is its built-in lead capture and automation. When someone views your card or submits their contact information via the Connect form, then Swft stores that information in your dashboard. That means every interaction becomes a potential lead. You don't have to copy anything manually. This is very helpful for freelancers, agencies, solopreneurs, or anyone who meets many contacts and want to follow up. For teams and the agencies, Swft Connect shines further. It supports multiple users. You can manage 10 or even hundreds of users depending on your plan, and you can maintain consistent branding across all user profile. That means your agency or company can issue branded digital cards to all of your members and track the contact centrally and ensure a professional look everything. Also, Swft Connects offer customization, like you can use your own domain, remove the Swft branding, embed scheduling link and videos or company information also. This flexibility makes the card more than just a contact list. It becomes a compact professional profile or portfolio that shows your business, services, or offering in one place. Because Swft Connect is offered as a lifetime deal via the platform like AppSumo, you pay once and you get the long-term access. This removes concerns about the monthly fees or subscription renewal, which can be especially appealing if you plan to use it for many years. And of course, like any other tool, Swft Connect has some trade-offs. The lifetime deal requires activation within a set time limit. If you miss that activation window, you may lose the discounted price or access under those terms. Also, if you want a physical NFC card for tap to share, that often costs extra beyond the basic digital profile. So there may be additional cost if you want full functionality. And while Swft Connects integrates with many sharing methods like link, QR, wallet, NFC, deeper CRM integrations or advanced workflow automations, they are not always clearly advertised. So if you rely heavily on complex CRM system, you may need to check compatibility carefully. Still, for many freelancers, small agencies, consultants, or network-focused business people, and those who meet new contact often and want an elegant, automated way to share information and capture leads, then Swft Connects offer a significant upgrade over the traditional business card or simple linked list. It simplifies networking, organizes your leads, and gives a professional and modern first impression. If you want a smarter, faster networking, easier lead capture, and clean professional way to manage contacts, especially as a solo professional or small team, then Swft Connect is a very good tool to consider. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check the link from description to get the lifetime deal on AppSumo. If you like honest and useful reviews like this, subscribe to Easy Access Tech and remember to check the link from description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.